Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Good evening peeps. As you can see from the title, you know what this is about. It's the coronavirus. It's the big V, it's the big C, the coronavirus. Yeah. So we're all dying. This is it people. 2020 is it. Like, end of the world. It's like World War III, Virus Edition, Walking Dead, Coronavirus Edition, End of the World. Like peeps, like literally, like me know me I take serious thing, make joke. I'm Jamaican, it comes natural. We joke about a lot of stuff, including serious stuff. I don't know why. I guess it runs through our veins. But people, yeah, this is serious. It has been serious. It is, life changing. It's affecting the entire globe. It's affecting trade. It's affecting society as it is. It affects how we live. It's affecting everything. It's affecting sports that we love, like football competition, basketball competition, like any large gathering, Olympics, travel, trade, just simply doing your job. It's like affecting every single thing as we know it. You know what I mean? Like people can't go to work, people can't go to school, and this is going on all around the world. Like every country has this virus, and the most affected countries are China, where it are started, and Italy has the most cases outside of China. They have a lot of elderly people. Japan have the second largest. I think Japan has the second largest population of like elders, like older people. They have the second largest. So am I scared? Not like 100% scared. Am I taking precautions? Yes, I'm taking precautions. Taking precaution. Am I worried for my family? Yes, I'm worried for my family. Do I wash my hands when I come inside? Yes. Do I clean on the knobs and stuff? Yes. But I'm worried for my family in Jamaica. I'm worried for friends. I'm worried for my Jamaican people, because there's 2 cases, confirmed cases there, and there's other people being affected because those persons that came from England has transmitted this disease to other people in Jamaica, and our healthcare system is not to the point where we can actually, manage such a crisis. The government is doing their utmost best to manage this situation. They're going above and beyond. They actually eat day by day, getting update from the Jamaican government and what you need to do. They're suspending classes now. School has been suspended today for tomorrow. The announcement was made today for tomorrow, Friday, March the 13th, Friday the 13th. So a lot of stuff is going on. Westinco shut down. Nova Scotia Bank, a branch is shut down because a person came in contact with somebody that has the virus. So it is scary, because a lot of time we get stuffy or we get runny nose and stuff, and instantly you're thinking, oh, I have coronavirus and stuff like that. So the best thing we can do is take our vitamins and listen to the news and follow, keep up with what's going on, because like everything as we know it is just like the world is literally going into a recession as we speak. It might not seem like it, but it is going to go in a recession. Like 2020, if they don't find a cure, if this don't come to like a halt, like this is affecting trade, this is affecting movement of goods and services, people trying to work from home and stuff like that. So the implications of this virus is billions of dollars in losses and lives. Not only the money aspect of it, but if you're thinking like me, if you're just an individual who thinks outside the box, you're not just focus on yourself alone, and you think to yourself, oh shoot, this is like World War III. If World War III is going on, then you can't travel to certain countries because there's a war going on in that country or whatever, blah blah blah. No, this is affecting the entire world, the globe. So normally the entire world get 90% of their goods from China. And when I say goods, I mean goods and services, from raw materials to finished products. Like your cell phones are made in China, your shoes are made in China, your clothes is made in China, your car parts is made in China, your TV, your cameras, most of your canned food, the metals, that the aluminum for your aluminum cans, so your food can go in cans and stuff like that. There's so much that affects that logistics, ships and stuff like that coming in. You need people to pack those ships or containers, or factories to load those containers and then send it around the world, and yada yada yada. So if a factory in China is not operating, then that means they're not producing goods. That means those goods and services can't reach to the world. So if they don't produce masks, like people wear masks now, or they don't produce cleaning agents or chemicals that make the cleaning agents, then we run out of that. So it's like each one need one. So we need China as much as China need us. You know, it's a cycle. It revolves around everybody. So what affects China affects the entire world. You know what I mean? And we see this. It's globalization. We're not self-sufficient. Every country is not self-sufficient, not 100%. We all rely on other countries. You have some countries that don't even produce banana to that extent because of their soil, because of their climate. They're in colder climate, so they can't produce banana, or they can't produce ground provisions. So you need banana from Jamaica, or you need banana from the Caribbean or South America. You need meat, a lot of produce like cow and chicken and stuff like that come from Brazil. A lot of corned beef that we eat, beef and stuff like that, come from Brazil. If they're infected or their people is infected, then that can cause problem. You know, even orange juice that we drink, a lot of the orange juice, 90% of the orange juice that we see on the shelves for Tropicana and other brands are produced in Brazil. So you have to understand that every country needs our next country. This is globalization, and that's where we are now. And this virus is affecting everybody. So what I can say is that yes, Jamaica is being affected, America is being affected, everywhere is being affected. There's nothing we can do. Are you going to travel? Yes, people are going to travel regardless. If you get sick, yes, you might die, yes, you might survive. But the best thing I can say is, like, boost your immune system, try to still exercise, try not to touch people, just follow the news, you know, take precaution, and just try to, you know, weather the storm until they find a vaccine. Because if they do find a vaccine, they have to go through trials. If they push the trials and don't test it on animals and test it on humans, then we don't know the side effects that might have on our body, and that might literally kill us. So we have to be careful with that as well. But because everybody is pushing for pushing for results, everybody want this to be over with, so might jump the gun, as in the scientists might jump the gun and create something that harm us instead of helping us, or create something that boosts this virus instead of killing the virus. So it's going to take a while to get a vaccine. The best we can do is isolate ourselves. If we have a cold or a flu, don't spread it, be mindful of others, and just keep in touch with family and friends, and ensure that we wash our hands and our face, and, you know, careful how we touch things and all that. Is very hard, because you touch your face subconsciously. If something itchy on your face, you're going to scratch it. If you touch a surface, you're not realizing, oh, that surface is germsy, because you've been touching surfaces from where you're so young. You know, feel around and touch stuff and learn. So it's very sad that this virus transmit like that. It can live on surfaces and stuff like that. It's just a dirty germs, and you know, it's a lot. So I'm just making this video to upload it so you guys can see a follow up to it. So yes, it's in Jamaica now, and it affects everything. If you want to travel there, you might not be able to travel there. There's no restriction on America, England, or Canada as yet. There might be. So like the entire world is shutting down, literally, as I make this video. So, you know, guys, I wish you luck. Follow the procedures and just be careful. But yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. More Plunkett. I'm out. Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Killing everybody. It killing everybody. Coronavirus. Killing us all over. All over the world, yeah. Corona, get away. Corona, get away. Corona, get away. That's my little song for the coronavirus. Subscribe and share. JVLOGS. Bye, guys. I'm old.